Go.
Hi everyone, it's the next chapter. So mommy will talk about stuff. So say what you say, mommy.
I want to say something like, my baby tomorrow will go to the school because we're gonna celebrate Teacher's Day. What are you going to say to teacher?
Ba't gano'n na naman yun?
Yeah. I know. Happy
talaga.
birthday, teacher.
It's not happy birthday, it's Teacher's Day. Happy
Oh.
Teacher's Day, teacher.
Happy Teacher's Day, teacher.
Who is your teacher?
Teacher Faye.
Then what are you going to say to your vlog?
So, everyone, I'm going to give him cake. And also, potato. And also, teddy.
Wow! Zach is so generous. Aww. And you say bye to your vlog.
So, bye.